got a new tripod. I got a new tripod. It's not as long as you see something, but I think this will work. What the hell? Are you sure it's right? Wow, give me. Oh.
All right, please. Let's give him space. The contestant part, please. Let's give him space. Let's go back to our seats. Go back to your seats, everybody. Go to our contestants. Go Come back to your seats. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very important for us to be around these guys. If we know better, we will know better. And I'm very, very hopeful that our time together today
I launched a new product, and the items inside this are just 10. Just 10. This is 1, and this is 2. This is 2. How am I going to video this? This is 2. Then 3, 4. Then this is 5. The 5th one. 5. Okay. I'm missing so that actually 11. I'm missing this 11. Okay. I want to make it 10. Or this doesn't count, so it's 11 minus 2 is 9. So I have 9 items here. So this 2, this one. This one too, this cute stuff. And this one is to cover it, and this goes right in the middle. Cute perfect. Guys, can you guess who is a new gen owner? I bought a gen. I'm having the generator guy come over to fix it today. I already bought stuff that I need for it. This is our area. We don't used to get light at all. We don't used to get light, and it's a problem for me. So I need constant light. That's why I bought the chair. I'm coming to fix it today. To be outside. To be outside. I'll put it outside. I'm going to be late for work today, but as long as I get this generator fixed, no problem.
Yeah, I'm going to get you. If I have you're not feeling on you. None of you. You're going to come to the prefer the age in a bike.
1 eternity later. 2,000 years later.
This is Jennifer Lodge, Basqueto, Anize. Whoa!
Why are you going to do Okay, I dream and keep your head. How did you go?
Chad J in the kitchen. So I'm trying to. You started making your hair. I forgot to cut your hair.
Oh, I have to start to make it easier for you when you start.
Right.
Three weeks later.
I just came back from work and I'm really tired. See how my hair is leaking. Don't mind my hair. You guys should just ignore my hair. So I just want to quickly show you guys some things I got from Temu and from my business. Okay, this just like these hair products now. I got them from the market. Things are really expensive. To restock some of my products, most of them are finished, and God, the price is ridiculous price. The price are, I don't know. Well, things are really high in the market now. So I got this keratin milk and this tresemme conditioner. I got this for my revamping kit. Then I also got, okay, let me show you guys. I got this. There was this video that I saw, like trying to tell us the one that is fake, and when I was in the market I couldn't find the video, so I just bought these ones. I hope that they're not the fake ones. Then this silicone mist, what the silicone mist too. Then this for coily hair. I got this too for coily hair. Then also this keratin hair care balance hair mask. All this I got this too. So that's it for the revamping product. Then another thing that I'm really excited about is this Cloud9 hot comb. I had stylists in the house. Tell me which hot comb do you use, because I use this Sona. At the point I stopped using it. I started using that really tiny coily one. This is the Sona, this thing that I had, but it's no longer hot. It's no longer hot. It's not working for me. I stopped using it a long time ago. But finally I'm no longer with Sona anymore. I'm with Cloud9. Plus then the hot flat and iron I use is also Cloud9. I got this too. It's really hot. Manifesting DBL hot comb. That's the next hot comb I'll go for. It's a professional hot comb DBL. I've used it when I went for training in Lagos. With Lee's signature. That's what he uses, and it's really hot. Then I only got this. This is just an item, just one item. I want to unbox it on. Okay, let me just unbox it. So I got this from Temu. I got this from Temu. It's just a pair of shoes that I got. It came in a box. I believe, yeah, the carton, whichever one. I like. I got it in big size, like you guys know. Big fit. So this is what the shoe looks like. It's a red shoe and it's so cute. Wow, it's so cute. Definitely wearing it to work. It's so cute. You guys like it? It's really nice. I love the shoe. It's just that it looks like couple somehow. It's pointed, but it's nice. Oh God, see you guys.